shoes.
Closer.
Yeah.
I mean,
Did you? Would you like the earrings? Good. And then Ryan, you might as well open it.
Do you want me to open that tomorrow?
Yes, I'm watching Jake opening it.
Little piece.
Jake, それ何それ?
Oh, Play-Doh.
Play-Doh でピザ作るのよ。
Used to love Play-Doh. Who doesn't love Play-Doh?
Yeah, after everything's settled down, we got to figure out how to get those presents.
開けんの？パパに聞いてごらん。
And then I'll get you.
Want me to open it for you, buddy?
Then they'll get another Christmas, Mom. You'll
Yeah.
return them and then they'll get something
I don't
else.
know if it comes with a Play-Doh really,
Open
but
it?
It all works out. It's Christmas.
Yeah.
We're here with our loved ones. That's important. That's most important.
Yay!
I cried last night.
You did?
Yeah, when I got that.
Oh, when Nicole and I got her the Mariska photograph.
This is pretty fancy.